All right, so for the past month, I've been trying out the AAXA M8 Ultra Short Throw Projector. And I have to tell you, while you may like what I have to say about this ultra short throw projector, my wife is the one who's mostly happy because now I can set up our family room back to the way it was before making it my test area. Let me start off with this. If you have ever wanted to own a UST without spending thousands or even hundreds of dollars and still want to get an impressive picture, the AAXA M8 has found a way to make that happen. First, what is an ultra short throw projector? These are projectors that are set up close to the wall and not far away like a traditional projector. This usually offers a more convenient setup because all you have to do is place this on the floor, a desk, or an entertainment stand, and a couple inches away from the wall, and it'll display your picture. Just move it back and forth a couple inches, and that will dramatically change the size of the image too. So no using a tripod or putting this far away where you may lose color saturation or brightness because of the distance of your projector from the screen. And of course, you don't have to worry about anyone walking in front of your projector. All right, let's talk about image quality. Now, I went straight to watching blockbusters on this, and the AAXA U8, even for its small size, delivered an impressive image. Its native resolution is 1080p, but you can't connect 4K content to this, in which movies not only look big, but look good too. I feel like I say that a lot, but the colors on the U8 did stand out and give me a very enjoyable image. You are going to notice and take in just how vibrant your content is going to look. Now, you may have noticed that I have this projecting on my wall, and my wall is not exactly flat. For instance, my wall has a textured surface as opposed to a smooth surface. So this is something you're going to have to keep in mind when you decide where you're going to be projecting this. The U8 needs a flat surface to get the best image from it. I did try this in my office, but the U8 just highlighted the unevenness of my wall. If you're looking for a more permanent solution, you could try to invest in a frame screen for you to hang on your wall for the best surface. But as you can see here, even on my textured wall, I was still enjoying this all the way. And that says a lot to the ability of the U8. As always, I love myself some 4K demos, and the U8 didn't disappoint there. Taking 4K content and downscaling it to 1080p still yielded clarity, sharpness, smooth motion, and a bright picture. Okay, let's move on to sound. And to be honest, I didn't spend too much sound of the built-in speaker of the projector. I connected this to an Apple TV 4K that was connected to my home theater, and I was getting as close to a movie theater experience in my home that was possible. But here's a sample of the audio. Now, I will say this, even though the sound is localized to the U8, at times the clarity of the audio did have me thinking I was only listening to the center channel of my surround setup. Okay, here's something that I really liked about the U8, and that's its mirroring feature. Wireless mirroring is fast and the quality holds up, but you can also mirror using the USB-C cable included with the projector and mirror exactly what is on your smartphone screen one-to-one with no lag. And as a welcome, well, for iPhone users, mirroring with the USB-C cord allows you to view streaming apps like Netflix. So this is great if you're in a place where you can't connect to Wi-Fi and you can use your phone as the main hub. Speaking of apps, there's a built-in app store so you can download additional streaming apps if you want to view it from there. Also, I played some games on this and, well, the quality was consistent across the board just as I was watching videos. Clear, vibrant picture, no latency. Okay, your U8 Ultra Short Throw projector does give you control of some of the video settings of your projector, such as brightness, so you can choose either Eco, Standard, and Boost. Keystone correction to line up your picture, just in case your walls are not lined up. And you can manually adjust the color temperature to customize your colors. I do wish the U8 had some video presets to mess with, but some control is better than no control. There you go. And of course, you can adjust the focus with the included remote. Well, speaking of remote, it comes with a remote, so there you go. As far as ports on the U8, you do get two HDMI ports, which max out at 4K 30, a USB-C port for mirroring or storage, optical port for surround audio, USB port for powering TV sticks or playing media from a USB stick, headphone jack, and power, back, and focus buttons. As far as design, well, for an ultra short throw projector, this is small. Pack this anywhere, take it anywhere. I can see this being a big hit for pop-up parties, movie nights, or whatever. Big screen, clear image, good sound, just like that. All right, my final thoughts. Truthfully, I love the AAXA M8. But let me be clear, it's not going to perform like a multi-$1,000 ultra short throw projector. But man, what it delivers, I will take that 7 days a week. All right, hope this video helped you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick your own. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like what's going on here, hit that like button. If you love what's going on here, well then hit that subscribe button and then ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.